If you're looking to delete notes on Instagram, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to get rid of any note that you've left on the platform. Whether it's something silly that you don't want others to see, or something more serious, deleting a note is easy with the help of this video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, you can find any notes you've left by tapping on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. So go ahead and tap your profile icon at the top left. And then it will show you your note, so in order to delete it, simply tap on where it says Delete Note. And now that note has been deleted from your Instagram account, so no one can view it anymore. But if someone has already seen it, then there is nothing that you can do because you can't erase their memory of your note. So if you want to add a new note, simply tap on the plus icon at your profile icon in the top left. And now you can type in whatever you want and share it so that other people can see it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.